I am over 50, and it's really important for me to be able to look my best. And when I have women come to me and I do their makeup, they always have a wow moment. They always, at one point during that makeup lesson, they go, wow, like something has changed, something has shifted. And that shift just gives me goosebumps because I know I've made a difference in a woman's life. As well as, I also believe that when women come to me, they come to me to solve a problem of something that they don't like. They say to me, I don't like these eye bags, I don't like this, or I don't like that. And what I say is, let's look at what you do like. Let's look at your best features. And once I do the makeup and pull out their best features, they usually never even mention again the fact that they have eye bags. They forget about it because now they're looking at what they like, the beauty of their face. It's supposed to be a feel-good book, and also it will then show them how to take those beautiful features and bring them to the forefront. It will show you how to apply your eyeshadows so that it doesn't look quite as heavy. We all get a little bit droopy in the eyes, and sometimes our cheekbones are not popping the way they used to pop. And I can show you easy, simple methods to do that. And it doesn't take a long time. It's 5 minutes in the morning. It should be an easy routine for you. It should be something like getting up and brushing your teeth. It should not be laborious. It should be easy, fun to do. And the last thing I say when you put on your makeup is smile, put on your blush, go out and have a great day. I really love what I do, and I'm really proud of the Grace Factor. I put all my experience into this book. And I really feel that it's going to benefit women. I really feel that when women leave me, there has been a shift in the way they look at themselves. And that can be life-changing for some people. And I also believe that I'm the only one that's told women this. I'm the only person out there that has made a whole book just on women over 50. There's a lot of makeup books out there, a lot of really good, creative, wonderful makeup books out there by talented, amazing makeup artists. But older women tend to be the last chapter in that book. So, and I just felt that it was time that someone did a book that was just about women over 50. And that's why the Grace Factor was born. My name is Deborah Williams, and I'm the author of The Grace Factor. Thank you for taking interest in my book, and I hope that you find some wonderful techniques that can bring out the most beautiful you.